What's going on, guys? It's here, Eddie Cantu from Genius C Productions. Yes, it's here, Chef Eddie Cantu. And thank you for joining me today once again in the kitchen. Today I'm gonna be cooking barbecue chicken with some vegetables, beans, carrots. Gonna have a good dinner today, I hope. So, with this being said, okay, with this being said, I'm gonna start with the chicken. That's what we're gonna start with. I'm gonna do it different this time, but that's why you're here to learn. Learn different skills. Let's see how it goes this time. I'm gonna start with the chicken. There might be beans. There might be beans, because I'm cooking everything, guys. And some vegetables. Vegetables are really good for the body. The plate might be real good, real healthy. So you don't want to miss it. Watch to the very end so you can get all the details. Don't go away. We're going to be making some delicious meals. Mamma mia. Okay, we're going to be making some delicious meals. Mamma mia. Let's continue with the delicious cooking of this amazing plate. Mamma mia. Yeah, I know that's right. Mamma mia. Let's continue with the cooking and make this meal happen. Showtime. Showtime. Ready? Let's keep going. All right, I'm going to show you the ingredients that I'm going to use. Carrots. The carrot. Okay, first the vegetables, carrot. The leg quarters, the legs and the thighs. And this is called leg quarters. A leg quarter. If you have more than one, it's called leg quarters with an S at the end. Okay. This is what it looks like. So for now, I'm going to cover it up until I come to it and we start cutting it. All right. These I'm going to put aside. Right here, this is the pot where I'm going to boil the chicken. As you can see, it's boiling. Don't stick your hand in there because, oh my God. No, don't try that at home. Just let it boil just like that. So let's add some flavor to it. I'm going to go ahead and add some chicken or pollo. This is a seasoning that you can buy at Walmart or any Mexican store. It's opened. Let's pour some right in the water. This is for the flavor. Just like that. Don't go crazy on me though. And then lemon pepper seasoning. You want to see all the seasonings right there. Different kinds. Which one you like? I'm gonna go ahead and open the lemon pepper. Now I'm gonna pour some. Not a whole lot, just some, guys. That's about it. Over here, I'm cooking some beans. Let me show you the beans. They're not ready yet. That's what they look like. And on this pot right here, I added this seasoning called garlic powder. You know, the garlic, I don't have that, but I have the seasoning. This is what the beans look like. These beans can perfectly go with the barbecue chicken and some vegetables. There's no chicken there, but I'll get some in a minute. Once I'm done cutting the chicken, I'm gonna go ahead and place it right in this pot. So beans that are cooking, and this is gonna be the pot for the chicken. The beans is gonna be a while. I'm not even know if I'm gonna put it on the plate because they're barely cooking. But this is it right here. I'm about to cut the chicken. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut half of it like that, not the whole thing. And get the skin off. Just like that. Don't cut your fingers though. We don't want to see nobody in the hospital for stitches. Getting rid of that. I'm gonna cut it right through here. See? Just like that. Then, let's do another one. I'm gonna place this right over here. I'm gonna place the chicken right on this plate. Okay? Just like that. Be careful when you put the chicken in there, okay? You don't want to get burned. Now we're just gonna go ahead and let it boil. These are the beans. What the lid will do is actually cook the chicken faster. And as you can see, there's some dots of blood right there. You can see it. The steam is like, it's all over the lens, but it's not really cooked, as you can see right there. It's blood. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the chicken around. And what this chicken is called leg quarters. That's what you call them in English, leg quarters, because it's the leg and the thigh. And if you cut the leg and the thigh, we'll call a leg and a thigh. When you do a cookout, they will be called leg quarters. They're so good when you cook them outside, like a carne asada. Yep, do a grill outside. Oh boy. Heard that. Drop some water right on the stove. I gotta clean it up. That's why it sounded like that. Just like that. I put an extra leg right there. Now, I'm gonna cover it up. But instead of you grabbing the lid when it's really hot, make sure you grab the lid with a pad, because the lid is real hot. So I'm gonna go ahead and cover the pan with the lid. And I'm using a pad. As you can see, the lid is really hot. Make sure that you grab one of these cooking pads to grab anything that is hot. Do not burn yourself. You can also use a cooking glove. Just put it on top like that, then grab the handle and open it up. Just like that. Real easy. The one that follows is the beans. Vegetables are real good for the health. Now I rolled. Be careful not to cut your hands or fingers. You gonna try some carrots? Let's try this big one right here. Look how fat it is. So let's try to eat this one, okay? These are good for the eyes, okay? So you can see better. Good for the vision. That's what I heard. Ready? Man. You heard that pop? Real good. I can try this with lime and salt. Oh boy. Some tomatoes with this. Oh boy. Get another bite. You need to have some good teeth to be able to break this. Some good strong teeth. Try it again. Hard. I like carrot. Let's try my other side, see how it works. Okay, let's try it. Last piece. These carrots you can go ahead and boil in a separate pot so they can boil, and then they will be soft, along with, you might want to add some broccoli or whatever you want to add. Then you can go ahead and serve them right on your plate and ready to eat. All right. So now what I'm going to do is just check once again the chicken or the leg quarters. That's what they look like. They still need more time. Let the chicken cook really good, and then we're gonna add the barbecue sauce. If you see that the water is coming up, like rising up, if you see that the water is rising up, all you gotta do is either lower the volume or make sure kind of lift the lid like that and leave an opening just like that. So that way the water will not rise all the way up and then it's gonna spill. Because if it spills, then you gotta clean the stove. Now what it look like cooking, they still need a lot of time.